Welcome all of you. I am Mohammad Zulfiqar Rajput and you are watching MXR Global Studies Network. आज हम पढ़ेंगे looking forward to future tense of to be. Meaning awaiting for something or somebody. किसी चीज़ या किसी शख्स के लिए इंतज़ार करना. Examples: I shall be looking forward to writing a letter. We shall not be looking forward to writing a letter. Will you be looking forward to writing a letter? Will he not be looking forward to writing a letter? अब हम चलते हैं नेक्स्ट स्लाइड की तरफ. I shall be looking forward to my holidays. I shall be looking forward to the journey. We shall be looking forward to your lecture. They will be looking forward to your comments on the above mentioned proposal. She will be looking forward to her brilliant future. I shall be looking forward to going home in order to meet my sweet wife and son. I shall be looking forward to your loving attitude. Life will be looking forward to someone. We shall be looking forward to your nice advice. They will be looking forward to my promise. He will be looking forward to their departure. Guest will be looking forward to the dinner at marriage. You will be looking forward to fighting. He will be looking forward to abusing of power. He will be looking forward to abusing abusive language. अब तक के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में.